What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now. And today, what are we making?
Alright, so there's one thing that gets me hyped. It's a nice, big, beautiful, freshly fried funnel cake from Canada's Wonderland. And today, for your pleasure, we're going to recreate that.
Yeah, we're going to show you how to make it the Wonderland way, but you know, with our twist, obviously. Let's get right into it.
So, what's a funnel cake without strawberries? So we're going to do strawberries two ways. We're going to do one macerated and another one as a coulis. We're going to start our macerated strawberries. So first, we're going to slice them up. Just nice little pieces. Like so. So right now in Canada, we can't get a fresh strawberries, so macerating them right now is really the move. So we're going to hit it with a little bit of sugar, lemon zest, triple sec, orange. And what this is going to do, it's going to pull out that natural juice from the strawberries and make it into its own syrup, which just gives a really nice sweet undertow to your strawberries. We're going to have 2.5 tablespoons of white sugar, teaspoon of triple sec, touch of orange zest, quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little squeeze of lemon. We're gonna mix up our strawberries here, let that sugar activate and pull out all the juices. Probably see our macerated strawberries in about 3 hours. You can also keep these in the fridge for probably about 2 weeks and they'll be great. Great for French toast, great for your girl, great for all that stuff. Next, strawberry coulis. We're gonna do a Margarita inspired coulis. First, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar to the pot. Add a little shot of that tequila. We have a mint simple syrup, a recipe down below. A couple splashes of that. We're gonna turn our pot just to medium low heat. Give it a little stir. Just melt down. Now that's melted down, I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice, pinch of salt, and a touch of that triple sec again. We're gonna stir that up and add 1 cup of our frozen strawberries. We're gonna melt these down until the strawberries are softened and they're ready to blitz, probably about 20 minutes.
While our coulis cooking down, I'm gonna start getting together our funnel cake batter. I'm gonna start off by measuring all of our wet ingredients. Start with 2 whole eggs, 1 handed cracks, cause duh. 250 milliliters of water, 250 milliliters of milk. 1/2 teaspoon of that pure vanilla extract. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna whisk up all of our wet ingredients. Let's set these to the side. Now time for the dry ingredients. Got all-purpose flour. I'm gonna weigh out 400 grams. Next we'll weigh out 52 grams of granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. We're gonna finish this off with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I'm gonna slowly incorporate all the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients so we have a nice smooth batter with no lumps. Our batter's ready to go. You're gonna wanna transfer your batter to either a squeeze bottle or a measuring cup to help pour it into your frying oil. I prefer a squeeze bottle, so that's what we're gonna do today. Now our funnel cake's ready to fry. We have a cast iron here filled with canola oil. Our oil's at 375 degrees. Now it's time to fry the batter. Circular motions. Get it all stuck together like a web. We're just gonna fill it all in. We're gonna fry this till it's golden brown and then flip it over and do the other side. Flip it over with a pair of tongs. It's perfectly golden, time to take it out of the pan and rest it on a paper towel. That looks way good.
Our strawberries are all nice and melted down. We're gonna blend it with immersion blender. We're gonna let this cool down in the fridge till it's chilled.
Time to finish off our funnel cake. I'm gonna dust it with a little powdered sugar. By a little, I mean a Tony Montana amount. A couple scoops of your favorite French vanilla ice cream.
You don't get this kind of coulis in Canada's Wonderland, I'll tell you that for free. Our macerated strawberries. We're just getting a little bit of that syrup in the bottom, just kind of splashed around there. A couple sprigs of fresh mint. time to dig in.
Woo, look at that. Wow. I don't know what piece fell. Dude.
Fire. That takes me back.
Yeah, I want to hit a roller coaster right now. Put this down for a second. I gotta dig in.
Awesome cheese. Wow. This is just down and dirty.
That's a.
I'm not gonna use a fork. Like I'm just getting straight in there. Straight
hand bombing it. Delicious. This is a fun recipe. Super easy to make. It's literally gonna take you less than an hour to do. So definitely try this one at home.
Yeah, feel free to leave with the booze and put in anything else you want to season it up. That's not your thing, but you know us, so.
like a little alcohol from time to time.
Awesome, guys. Well, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Your Ass is Hungry Now.
Peace!